Here I've got Nokia 7 Plus, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down and open apps and notifications, open advanced options, scroll down a bit and then go to special app access. Here you'll notice install unknown apps, so simply open it and now select for which applications you will allow installation apps from. So just let me, for example, pick Google Chrome and now allow from this source. Then you can also pick Files, Drive, Gmail or any other app that you will have installed on your Nokia. So that's basically all. This is how you can allow installation from apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.